Let's make garlic butter oyster mushrooms. Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Solina and today I'm making oyster mushrooms in a garlic butter infusion. This is one of my favorite ways of enjoying oyster mushrooms because it's so delicious and flavorsome and meaty. It actually tastes like seafood. All the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below, but it's so simple that you're only going to need a few ingredients: cooking olive oil, crushed garlic, your oyster mushrooms, thyme, soy sauce, and fresh coriander. So let's go. I've just added a little drizzle of olive oil. This is cooking olive oil. I'm adding some crushed garlic, about 1.5 teaspoons, and we want our garlic to sizzle up in that oil. It takes only a few seconds, but this makes a huge difference to the flavor of your dish. Next, I'm going to add butter, and this is unsalted butter, approximately 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons, according to your preference. Let your butter melt together with your garlic and your olive oil. Once it's melted, we're going to add our oyster mushrooms. So while this is melting, I've given my oyster mushrooms a good wash. Don't let them soak in water for too long. They can have a tendency of absorbing water, so we don't want to do that. Rather, give it a good rinse with some salty water. Drain it out completely, and then you can add it directly to your garlic butter that's on the stove. Once you've added all of your oyster mushrooms, they are going to release water before it starts to reabsorb any of that flavor. So you're going to notice that your garlic butter is going to become more liquidy. So you can turn up your heat slightly, and there you can see there's far more liquid that's being released from your mushrooms. Toss it into all of that delicious garlic butter. And you can turn down your heat when it starts to evaporate a little. As you can see, it's absorbing some of the flavors as well. To prevent over seasoning, it's best to wait for your mushrooms to reduce down like so. I'm now adding some dried thyme, as well as some soy sauce. So just a drizzle of soy sauce. So I'm not adding any salt. My soy is my salt component. Toss in your oyster mushrooms and give it a few minutes to get that beautiful golden brown color. That will give your oyster mushrooms this beautiful salty but sweet taste. This is what we want it to look like. Golden gorgeousness. Once you're done, you can turn down your temperature and add some fresh coriander. Saute for a few seconds. And you can plate up. You can enjoy your mushrooms as a side dish or even as a main dish. Add it to rice. You can even add it to risotto. There's so many ways of incorporating it into your dishes. I can enjoy it just like this. It's so delicious, flavorsome, mouth-watering. And when you think of some of your favorite seafood dishes, this actually comes very, very close. Absolutely drool-worthy. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Kindly consider subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen. I am Solina.